What's the Skittles thing? Taste the rainbow.
Peace, family. So the birthday is March 20th, 1982. That's for the YouTube family.
YouTube crew.
That's for the Instagram. So on this birthday, you were definitely not one for arguments or for confrontation, because you're a Pisces still, and your moon is in Aquarius. So very flighty, very sensitive to loud noises, aggressive energies. When triggered, you're just going to leave the room, leave the space, leave the country if you can. You're trying to leave, right? You're trying to be above the fray. You're trying to transcend. You're trying to be into a whole nother realm, which you have to be careful, because you're going to be very vulnerable and susceptible when it comes to drugs, when it comes to, psychedelics, things like that. You can become very addicted. So you have to be very mindful and careful of that. You also are a 2 baby, so that's that Cancer energy, that's that romantic energy, that intimate energy, that nurturing, that motherly type of energy, very sensitive as well. So you're just a very sensitive person overall. All those born on the 20th have to be very mindful and very protective, because those born on a 2, a 20th energy, or just on a second, like March 2nd, March 2nd, March 20th, April 2nd, April 20th, those 2 energy, you have to be very careful, because you are susceptible to being molested and taken advantage of. Okay, so be very, very mindful and very protective over energies born on those days. You have the 3 of diamonds, the 7 diamonds, the 9 of spades. So that means you are always going to have some work to do. There's always something to be done, something that can be completed. As well as you also have a knack for attracting money. So you will probably receive some sort of inheritance at some point in your life, or win maybe some kind of lottery or something, right? Or maybe multiple lotteries. As well as your very creative abilities when it comes to making money, to organizing, to putting things together. Let's see what else we have. Sagittarius energy that you have. You have a lot of magnetism to you, a lot of attractive qualities. So you're gonna bring a lot of people towards you, but you have to be careful, because you're so sensitive to energies, and you absorb energies so easily. It can be overwhelming. The fact that you attract so many people, you have to be very mindful of that. But at the same time, since it's in your Lilith sign, those that you attract are gonna typically be in your favor. And then your North Node is also Cancer, so it's just a lot of water, spiritual signs, a lot of spiritual signs. Spiritually sensitive signs in your chart. So North Node, you are meant to master that Cancer energy that you already hold, that nurturing, that relationship energy, that family energy, that motherly energy, that intimate romantic energy. And that is the birthday energy for March 20th, 1982. Ashe.
Ashe you. March 20th is still a Pisces?
It's still a Pisces for the year of 1982. It depends on the year. Different years. That's why if you look up the zodiacs, it will, and that's for Brittany, right? And that's why when you look up the zodiacs, it'll say, it's Pisces is from, ends on somewhere between the 19th and the 21st, right? And Aries starts somewhere between the 19th and the 21st, right? So that's why, because it varies from year to year, depending on the angle of the planets. Ashe.
Ashe.